Hi guys, I will share it to you the way I do my ironing. So this is the steamer, it's already plugged there, and this is the water from the kettle, which I used this morning to have my tea. And we get some water, so I already fill it in. So you just fill it in right at the top till the maximum. It's already done. The reason I use the water from the kettle is when you use the water from the kettle, is nothing come out, no dirty or nothing stain or nothing there. So it's clean. But the water from the tap, normally they get some dirty or scaler there. So I think for me this is a good water, and also it's the same with the spray. This is not some, this is just plain water that I pour it from the kettle. So you can use any empty spray bottle, just rinse them with soapy water and you just fill it in. So let me just put this here, because this one is, this is cotton and it's really crisp. As you can see, it's really crisp. So what I do is spray them all over here. Make sure they're quite damp, but not wet, just damp, so at least you get a soak. So I iron them. When I finish this, I'll show to you the shirt, how I iron my shirts, or my husband, or your husband's shirt, or anybody when you're working with someone in easy guy. This one you just really press them, because when you do the anything sheets or anything, it's really difficult to iron them, especially when it's so crisp. Really need a lot of water, because I know this is a steamer, but it's not enough. So you just put more water, spray a little bit till it's done, and carry on working. I already done some of it last night. I had too much to do last night, and I stopped when I was so tired, and I start again today after my bath. I don't do the ironing till weekend when I'm not working, so that's my time. And the same time at the back. So it's nice with the steamer. See, you can see nothing is coming out, nothing, no dirty, and this is self clean, no dirty whatsoever. You can see, because when you use the water from the tub, normally there's a lot of white and scale coming out from that, but this one is quite old iron and still good. So that's the idea of it. So that's done. Well, it's up to you. If you're really fussy when it's come to ironing, you just do it again, but I'm just showing it to you. The next thing is the shirt. Like shirt, normally I do less than 5 minutes. It's easy. So you do the collar first. It's around here. That's the first thing you do. Is you do that like that. You can spread them. If you ironing the white shirt and they're so crisp, you can ironing that. This one doesn't need it, and then you do that. This, and then the second one is the around at the back. Do that, and just spread them if necessarily, but it doesn't need a spray with this. So the second one is the armpit, this one. So make sure they're flat. And also, if you see the when you do the ironing, you got the line round the top. Make sure you got only one line. Sometimes when you do it, it makes so much line, which is not nice. So you do that. You do that at the end, wind this side, and then you can do it. Press them like that, so you got only one line. That way. Right. Now the same with the next one. So you have to do the last, do this last, do that. So you do round her first, and then at the back. Now it's time to do the line. So you just do it one line there. Don't keep doing it because sometimes it's not nice. You're just making it too many lines. And the third one is the front, the bit of the front here where the button is. Trust me, guys, it's easy. It takes you about less than 5 minutes. You just if you get the hang of it. So you do that. If you're in the you need the spray water, just pour, or you use the spray that make them a bit nice, and for the but I don't use any spray whatsoever for this because it doesn't need a spray. And then at the back, just line through it that way. That's easy. You just run it. And that way. So at least you done the half of the where the back of that, and then the front bit where to connect the that's it, guys. This doesn't need a lot of ironing this. So that's done. So it's less than 5 minutes job, guys. So either you fold them, but normally I hang my shirt, and job is done. I love ironing shirt. It's easy to do it. It's better than all the big sheets and all that. As soon as you know how you do your shirt, or you're doing your husband's shirt, whoever shirt is, you get the hang of it. It's easy. I said that you you have to start from this, and then at the back of that, and then just this is, and then the third one is this, and one part of it is that, and then you just go around the back, and then the front one again. Alright, guys, see you next time.